Right now I am here with Curtis from Aviva, and he's going to share with us about a product that he has which can help you to consume more fruit and vegetables. So welcome, Curtis.
How you doing?
Good, thank you. So tell us the concept behind it all.
So the concept behind Aviva products is people struggling to get their nutrients on the go, and just a nice, quick, easy way to get your greens and your fruits just on your way to work or sitting at your desk and making life easy, because we all know how hard it is to cook at home and to find the time to do it right.
Exactly. So tell us about the product that you have available.
So all our products are 100% fruit and veg. There's no extracts, nothing artificial, and yeah, it all comes in powdered, nice form, which has been vacuum freeze dried, so dehydrated, and it all comes in sachets, which is easy to use and take on the go.
So I noticed one of the products that you have here on display is the Green Fix. Tell us how many greens are in that one sachet.
There's a bunch of greens in here. There's 13 greens in the Green Fix. All come 30 sachets in a box. Easy to go. Put it in your bag on the way to work. Have it at your desk, in the car. However it is you want to take it. It's quick and easy and get all the nutrients you need out of the greens.
Great. So you just basically put that sachet with water and that's how you drink it. Is that correct?
Yeah, the product's versatile, so you can put it in water, juice, mix it in your smoothie in the morning. Yeah, any way you want really. Just mix it up with the liquid of your choice and yeah, it's there ready to go.
And it's a great alternative way to get your greens in.
Exactly.
Excellent. Well, if anybody wants any information about the Green Fix or other products that Avina has, where can they find that?
You can get on our website, aviva.com, eveva.com, and yeah, purchase online and come and see us at the Brisbane Fitness and Health Expo.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Cheers, thank you.